I built this bench a couple of years back, and since then have incorporated a number of work holding devices or work holding abilities into the bench that I want to walk through today. The first work holding I want to show you is the concept of dog holes and holdfasts. This is an actual holdfast. I ordered this from Gramercy Tools. What this does is just basically goes into the holes that have been drilled into the bench to hold anything, any piece of wood that you want to really work on. Put a holdfast in one of the holes that have been drilled here and tap. If you want to hold it on the other side, you use another holdfast here and tap it in again. These are bench dogs. They look like this and they go and fit into all of these holes. Take this board as an example, and I want to plane this board so that when I'm planing from left to right, I don't want this to move here. What I can do is I can put these bench dogs here in these holes. That will stop the forward movement, and I can lock it in place. Putting the holdfast there. So you're seeing how it is immobilized here. So what I've done is, instead of playing around with the jig loose, I've anchored it to the table so that at any point in time, if I want to drill a pocket hole into a piece of wood, I just come here, press the jig down, drill the hole. And you'll see the pocket holes that have been done in the wood. This is the leg vise, and it can be used to clamp any piece of wood to the jaw. I want to work on this piece of wood. Here, I just place this here, and I clamp it, and I can work on this. I can plane it, I can do anything to this piece of wood while this leg vise holds it strongly. And let's say you're working on something long, like this, or even longer than this. You're seeing how this piece over here on the right is unsupported, so there's a very high chance that this might rock down. So in order to prevent that, we use this sliding Deadman, which slides from left to right. Wherever you want, these height adjustable holes have been drilled, and put the holdfast here. Knock it down. So now this is held in place with the holdfast, which will not allow this to move. Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you some ideas of the different types of work holding that you can incorporate into your workbench.